Did you buy Ripple at $2.50 when Brian Kelly famously on CNBC Fast News told you how to buy Ripple? If you did that, guys, you're probably 90% down. So in this video, guys, I'll talk about CNBC as a price predictor for Ripple. You know, CNBC talks a lot about Ripple, not so much recently, but it talked a lot about CNBC and Coinbase kind of rumors and how to buy and sell Ripple. So Ripple is one of the coins that featured heavily on CNBC. So I'm gonna do a video on a CNBC price predictor for Ripple. So guys, previously I made a video on how Bitcoin and CNBC tweets affect the Bitcoin price. So in gist, I mean, if you want to watch the full video, guys, I do a Bitcoin price prediction in my previous video, Bitcoin CNBC predictor with 90% accuracy. In this video, I'll share the chart that I found on TradingView. It talks about how the tweets are opposite to what actually happens. So they teach you how to buy Ripple. They talk about Bitcoin hitting 25k, Bitcoin going to hit 50k when at an all-time high. Don't fear the Bitcoin dip, Bitcoin breakout coming soon. And near the bottom they talk about selling. So if you do the opposite of CNBC tweets or CNBC talks about, you could have made a lot of money. And this is probably one of the best predictor and indicators for Bitcoin that I found. So that's the gist of it. If you want the full detail of that video, watch this video. This video is going to be more about Ripple rather than Bitcoin. So I tweeted this, I think in July time, 27th of July. I tweeted it a couple of times actually, and I talked about, you know, how CNBC, again, is it manipulation, is it just coincidence, or I mean, I think it's just how the media works. They react a lot slowly. As a trader, to make money, you have to be quick, guys. You need to understand and get a feel of the market sentiment before it comes on the media. When it comes in the media, it is too late. And I'm not, I mean, there could be malicious, there's like conspiracy or scam, but if you try to have the non-cynical view, you could say it's just how the media works. You just have to be a better trader and you need to be closer to the market. So I've tweeted, you know, they were teaching how to buy Ripple at $2.50 and they told you how to sell Ripple at 70 cents. So this is crazy. It just shows you, you know, this tweet talk. So I'll never forget, Brian Kelly knows nothing. But if you need to do your own research, you can't trust this. But what you can do is you could do this inversely. So when Ripple talks about buying Ripple, you should sell Ripple. And when CNBC talks about buying Ripple, you should sell them. And when CNBC talks about selling Ripple, you should buy it. If you do it inversely, you could be sitting on some good profit. So this is just the gist of it, guys. If you don't follow me on Twitter, guys, I can update people a lot more on Twitter. So follow me on Twitter and subscribe to my channel as well. I'll do Bitcoin, Ripple. I like to cover Ripple quite a lot because there's a lot of Ripple subscribers and followers on Twitter and on YouTube. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification button. So Ripple is down 90% since CNBC infamous buying tutorial, and he talks about how easily you can buy it and how he's bought it. So it's not great, guys. So I feel bad for the general public who don't know I mean, I'm sure if you watch these videos and you follow me on Twitter and you do your own research, I'm sure you know a lot more than this. But CNBC talks about how you can purchase it. They've rumored a lot about Bitcoin and Coinbase. The price went up massively when they hosted, I don't know whether they do it purposely, when they hosted the Brad Garlinghouse and the CEO of Coinbase, and the price went up because they thought the partnership was going to be announced or Ripple was going to be listed on CNBC. So we've got to be careful, guys. We can't just use the media to trade. When it's on the media, it's already too late. It's all about hype. But you could use the media in a way to make money. Again, this is not financial advice. You need to do more research on technical fundamentals and the market sentiment, but you could use this to make some money. But please do your own research before you play with your hard-earned money. That's what makes me feel bad. You know, can't believe people still follow these clowns to invest their hard-earned money. You know, we are the general public. We're not the richest people, and these whales taking our money, and it's really not fair. So he thought, I bought all that Ripple. That's how easy and fast it is. If you thought Bitcoin was hot, maybe you should learn about XRP. It's another cryptocurrency that's been rocketing in popularity lately. It was created by a company named Ripple, and that's another. Well, at least they didn't say Ripple and XRP is the same thing. They're different things. I use it interchangeably on my channel for ease of use, but Ripple and XRP is different. XRP is what we buy, and we want XRP and X Rapids to do well. If you follow my previous Ripple videos, you know I've talked about the differences, and the thing is, so should you buy Ripple or should you not buy Ripple? The answer is up to you guys. If you believe in Ripple, if you believe in their partnership, if you believe they'll deliver, you can buy it, and you can dollar cost average, you could trade it, but do your own research. If you believe in Ripple, you can buy it, because again, currently CNBC is not talking as much on Ripple. So is this a good accumulation zone? Potentially, CNBC is not covering Ripple as much as they were before. So maybe if you believe in Ripple, it could be a good accumulation zone, and when people start talking about Ripple, the price could skyrocket. Again, this is not financial advice. Do your own research, but it could happen. I've shared my views on Ripple. I like some of the things that they're doing, but there are things that I've got some concerns about. I've shared it all in my video, but do your own research. And this is another price prediction it talks about. Yale researchers talk about it. So one thing is the momentum effect. If price goes up, price keeps going up. So in my previous video, I'll do a price prediction at the end. Actually, let me just quickly go through this video. So when the price goes up, it's like a momentum, more people buy it. So momentum is actually simple. If things go up, they continue to go up on average, and if things go down, they continue to go down. And the investor attention effect is the Google researchers. So search Google for searches. If people are searching for Bitcoin goes up. If people are searching for Bitcoin scam, things go down. This is another price prediction similar to the CNBC predictor in a way. So guys, before I end this video, I'll just do a quick Ripple price prediction. In my previous videos, I talked about the same thing. If Ripple had broken 35 cents, I would have been bullish and actually traded Ripple. I played a quick bounce play, but I sold it around there, and I was hoping to buy if it went above 35 cents. But as you can see, guys, it failed and it's lower now. So it will depend on Bitcoin and potentially some good news coming, but it's difficult to say what will happen with Ripple. I said I would have been bullish above 35 cents, but if you're a trader, that's your update on the technical analysis. I'm not going to go into all the intricacy. But if you are just an investor in Ripple, these might be good potential buy zones, because even if it goes down, if you believe Ripple would be at $1, $2, or whatever you believe in Ripple, if you buying it at 30 cents or 20 cents might not make a difference. But if you're trading to flip some profit, buying it at 30 cent and 20 cent will be a massive difference. So I'm talking both about the trader and the investor. So I hope you guys understand that there was some confusion. Maybe I'll do a video on trading, dollar cost average, and investing in Ripple. So thank you very much for watching this video, guys. I hope it made some sense. Do not just listen to CNBC, and especially do not listen to Brian Kelly when he tells you to buy and sell. So thank you very much for watching this video, guys. If you have enjoyed it, please scroll down and subscribe to my channel for more videos on Ripple, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency price prediction, breaking news, the whole lot, to keep you guys safe in the crazy world of crypto. So thanks for watching this video, and also if you want to win half a Litecoin, guys, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification button, and leave your Litecoin addresses below to win half a Litecoin. So thank you very much for watching this video, guys. Subscribe to my channel, smash that like button, share this video with your friends and family, because we need to share cryptocurrency to the world. As an early adopter, it is our responsibility, not just my videos, but just talk to your friends and family about it. So thank you very much. So smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon with another great video. Thank you very much.